I came across this baggage lock today, so I thought I would buy it and see how easy it is to attack and get into. It's very simply packaged, just a couple of little get rid of that. Improved luggage security lock strap. Let us have a look. What I can never really understand is why somebody would put a lock on a strap when all you need basically is a pair of scissors to cut straight through that and you're into the baggage anyway, or a Stanley knife. But here it is. Let us see what it is. I've no idea what this does. There are two levers, one on each side. Okay, that comes out. I guess you can, I suppose you can change the length of this, and once this shank, if you like, goes back inside there, it locks in position, which at the moment I think it's open, and then once that's in, because of the serrations along here, the strap won't slip. Let's have a look inside. It seems to me to be a wafer lock. So at the moment it's open. Now that's closed. As usual, a wafer lock, most of them, you can put the key in one way or the other. Doesn't make that much difference. Okay, lock it, and when it's locked, these side buttons will not go in. So the question is now, how easy is it to unpick? As I say, easiest way, cut straight through it. But let's just test this out. Okay, I will go in with what shall I try first? I'm going to try this double peaked rake. Bit of pressure on there. In we go with this rake. Don't fill in. Oh, okay. A couple of the way. Oh, it's open. For heaven's sake. How easy was that? Well, to be honest, I don't know which is quicker, to open it with this simple rake or to cut through the strap. Either way, it's pretty easy to get into your suitcase. I'm going to lock it up and try one more time to see if it really is that easy. Let me try a different tool. Let's just try this half snowman, which is really quite good, I've found in the past, for opening wafer locks. Oh, there you are. Less than a second. pretty hopeless, whichever way you look at it.